Now, what do you do when you are someone who loves to have new kitchen appliances like myself? I mean, sometimes we see the latest kitchen appliances and we want to buy it. For example, the pressure cooker, the air fryer, the microwave oven. We want to put it all in our kitchen cabinets and try to keep it neat and tidy. But, well, how do you really do it when you have so many additions that keep coming in with each additional new feature that comes with new product, a new type of cooking ware? So, what do you do? Well, I've been thinking about it and I've been looking at how I could make it better. Of course, not to put out a very, very high budget of really doing a renovation, but perhaps just a simple cabinet. And I found a very nice 5 tier type rack for the kitchen. That's the picture of it that I bought from Shopee. It's a 5 tier rack and it can support quite a lot of weight as according to the manufacturers. Here are the wheels that you can actually attach, and here is the collapsible kitchen rack before it's actually put up. Look at that, empty but lovely, isn't it? So neat and tidy. That is before I did up the tidying of my kitchen. I love the way that it folds and it holds itself, and it's so easy to assemble. You don't really need to do any screws. All you do is open it up, put in the 4 wheels at the bottom, at the base, so that it can move, and you can actually move the tier rack whenever you want to sweep the floor or to vacuum the floor. It's so simple. And look at what happened after I've transformed my kitchen. This is my coffee, my multi-grains, my rice cooker, and of course my spices, my cooking. And here is my pressure cooker from Philips, and of course my hot water kettle. And below that you will find the air fryer and a roll of paper which I use whenever I want to wipe my hands dry after washing, and the microwave oven. And look at my kitchen table after I have done the cleaning up and tidying. What a change it is to me, and I'm really surprised. I never thought it could happen, but here it is. Look at it. Isn't it wonderful? All clean and clean. Lots of space to do anything you want to do. Just say you want to shoot a video, a cooking video with an air fryer, for example. If you so wish, you could actually move the air fryer over to the kitchen table and do your shooting of your video on it. So clean and tidy. Doesn't it look so much better compared to what you had previously? So this is a video of what I have, all the tiers and all the stacking, and accordingly it can take quite a lot of weight, so it is safe to actually stack so much materials. I've got this little tray from IKEA which you can actually put all your dishwashing liquids, your coffee, your gloves. So it's really really tidy, and I'm really glad that I managed to find this 5 tier tray for the kitchen, and I bought it from Shopee, and it just took me about, I think, 2 days for the delivery to be sent to my place, and it took me about more than 15 minutes to just tidy up and put it up. So I would say that if you really want to do it and go for it. I'm going to get another one for my work desk, just where I'm from, a place where I'm shooting my videos, and I will be shooting another video later on to show you what I've done to convert my kind of messy place to a very much more tidy workplace. So think about it and do it, and you can have a very nice kitchen.